Okay, let's see how you did. Practice problem 1. So I'm going to look at my coefficients. So for the x's, they're both 1. And for the y's, they're also both 1. So you could decide to get rid of your x's or your y's. For this one, both would have worked. I'm going to do the x's. Since both of these x's are positive, they have the same sign. So to get rid of them, I'm going to subtract. So I should see a minus sign out here. 1x minus 1x, there are no x's. Now this is -1 minus 1, okay? Don't let the integers fool you. Use a calculator if you need to. This is -1y minus 1y, which gives us -2y. And then we have a 1 minus 3, which is -2. If I divide both sides by -2, negative divided by negative is positive, so y is 1. We're going to take that and plug it into one of these equations. I prefer all positive numbers, so I'm going to use this one. So x plus, I know y is 1. If I subtract 1 on both sides, I get x equals 2. So I think the solution is 2, 1. On the next slide, we'll check it. Remember, the first number is your x and the second number is your y. So we're going to come to the first equation. Instead of x, we put a 2. Instead of y, we put a 1. 2 minus 1 is, in fact, 1. First equation checks out. Second equation, instead of x, we put a 2. Instead of y, we put a 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we were correct, and we can put our final answer in the box. 2 more practice problems.